Hey everyone, welcome back to Adventures by Andrea. We are on the final stop of our Virgin Voyages Alaska cruise, and today we are in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia. If you watch my other videos, you know we did amazing tours like the Empress Hotel, the Bouchard Gardens, but today I want to show you what you can do if you don't want to book an excursion or if you just have a few hours of free time. The best part of Victoria, it is incredibly walkable. Once you're here, the inner harbor is absolutely stunning. You can just stroll along the waterfront, watch the water taxis and ferries, and take in the views of the famous Fairmont Empress Hotel right on the harbor. Walking around town seriously feels like you've stepped right into a Hallmark movie. The design is gorgeous, and there are so many cute little shops, bakeries, and cafes to pop into. You can explore on foot, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can even take a horse-drawn carriage ride or pedicab around the city.
Right out of a Hallmark movie.
And of course, if you're walking around Canada, you have to make a stop at the famous Tim Hortons. So let's go look into Tim Hortons. I've heard about this place many times from other cruise passengers. So let's just walk in and see what they have. From what I understand, it's similar to Dunkin' Donuts in the United States.
The apple fritters are gone. The maple butter glazed donut. And the lemon blueberry must be really good.
I had to go in and check out the bakery case. They had so many options: lemon blueberry tarts, Timbits, and maple butter glazed donuts. Perfect for a quick, cheap snack while you're exploring. The downtown area is super vibrant and welcoming. Whether you want to grab a coffee, do some window shopping, or just sit by the water and watch the boats, it's the perfect way to spend a casual afternoon. You don't always have to spend a ton of money on excursions to have a great time in port. Sometimes just wandering around and seeing the sights is the best adventure of all. Thanks for joining me on this Alaska Virgin Voyages series. I'll see you on the next adventure. If you missed my tours to Bouchard Gardens or the Empress Hotel, be sure to click the videos to watch those next.